जवाब पे लब है. This much I understand. My name is Abhay
Yes.
and I was born in India,
Yes.
Haryana,
Haryana.
state of Haryana.
Yes.
And then from there, like, done a lot of stuff. Studied at like good institutes, get good education.
Yes. High level study.
Then again the same search for the question of the life.
Yes.
You keep going. I studied like philosophy. Then that also, even a lot of French philosophers are also there. Psychology also, a lot
Yes.
of people in French. But then you don't get the answer, like how to use it. Then you keep going. Try different stuff. Like I studied engineering also and arts also, like science also and arts also. Like photography, fine arts, physics, chemistry, all of the different stuff. Two sides of the brain, no? Right side, left side, logical and intuitive.
Yes.
So arts developed the intuitive side and the science developed the logical side, reasoning side. So I experimented with like both of them, how it works. But then finally it's like that only. Like people ask, no, like how do you, okay, next question, like how do you become monk and all this? You don't become anything, no, that's the final thing. If you are becoming, then you are not being. So you just be yourself and let your natural tendency unfold in the world, however it wants to unfold. So you keep going. So my life is like that only. Like you keep going, you keep learning. Every day you discover something new. I went to like Canada also, worked there for like 2.5, 3 years there. There also I saw like the Western, as we were discussing, more materialistic, more individualistic, I will say. So much more individualistic life, which is slightly good. When I say this, so there are some positive stuff which we can do, like the organization of the Western people is good, the structural way, which we are also doing, like all of this social security number, or now we have like Aadhaar card, and so basic organization of the society, so that you have some sense, even in like the traffic and everything. So that is the good stuff. But then you also have to realize that you cannot maintain order beyond a certain point. That then means you are going crazy. That you are trying to hold too many things, like this should be perfect, this should be perfect. So that India is very good in that. Like people are very good in adjusting. Like in Kumbh also, you see,
Yes.
you adjust very fast, okay?
Yes.
Because anything can happen. You make a structure, okay, this is the way, that is this. But in that time, things doesn't work. So you have to, that spot, you have to see, okay, what should I do? How should I act? Which brings you back to the present. Being. So all of that journey, like Canada, then I came back to India. I wrote a book, A Beautiful Place to Get Lost. And so that was like, okay, you don't find any answer, you kill the question only. Best way, like that only, you kill the question. Then that is but then it didn't work because it was too abstract. Most people, they cannot understand like abstract knowledge like that. Then I learned other stuff, like all of these Indian history, yoga, meditation, different branches, and Patanjali, so many like sages, they have come, Sankaracharya, what they have done, why they have done, how they have done. And then like moving across India, I also went to all of these like 4 dhams, like traveling foot. Yamunotri, Gangotri, Badrinath, Kedarnath. So that also I went, and then you see different stuff, no? You experience also, like is there
Yes.
something there?
And what was your best experience?
Everything is best only. I mean,
Yes.
in a sense, it's like you don't hold on to it, otherwise you will be trapped. Like I tell people this, you don't remember. And most of the time I forget. Some people, they feel like bad also because of that. So like yesterday I met someone and I was talking very nicely, but then I forgot the face. You know, like so today that person will come and he'll say hey, hi, hello, like this, and I'm like, who are you? Because if you hold on to things, like then it always takes you to past. Like your impression, your previous impression of
Yes.
it will play a role in how you are going to see it next time.
Exactly, yes.
So if you don't clear that impression,
Uh-huh.
or if you don't let that impression affect your judgment, you keep going basically.
Especially if you have a bad impression, you need to clear immediately. If you have a good impression,
No, good, bad, both you need to clear.
okay, all.
Because to try to hold good, then bad will also come. It doesn't work like this, selectively it doesn't work. Like only good memories I will hold, because what makes it good will also make the opposite bad.
Always.
Always. So you cannot avoid it if you are holding on to it. So you have to let go of both of them, both good and bad. So best way is like, the easiest way is bhakti, like devotion. So whatever good happens, you say Shiva is doing it. Bad happens, you will like Shiva is doing it. So that is a very easy way to clear it, like the impression. You keep living or being in the present, and then you live life fully basically. Because now your attention is completely in living in this moment, and not in like what can happen after or what has happened before.
Yes. How old are you?
I'm 34 now.
34. When did you become a monk?
I'm not a monk, no.
How you say?
So
Sadhu,
basically-
Baba.
No, like being a monk is more like because there's a system.
Okay, I understand.
It's more like a specific process.
Yes.
You need to clear.
You want to be free.
Yeah.
Freedom.
I want to be like really free, like to
Yes.
not even be that. Why should you even be that?
You don't belong to a community. You don't belong to a system. You want to be open to all and to you travel free. And when you meet some place like this one, you stay, and tomorrow you will be in another place.
That's the way. Like, and the more you kind of develop your awareness about life, the more free you will be.